Hello everyone, it's me BB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a homemade mayo and I got some few messages about how to make this dish, and I wanted to share today this video with you guys, and this is how I make it. First you're going to need, I always start off with 2 egg yolks. You're only gonna need the yolks and the white. You're not gonna be using the white for this dish. And for the base of this, we're going to need lots of oil. And the more oil you're gonna add, the more mayo you're going to have. And we're going to use some garlic. We're gonna poke the garlic with some fork, and the fork is going to be like a whisk. And that's how we're gonna start whisking everything. And the reason we put the garlic in here, that's the garlic is gonna help when we're whisking. It's not gonna squash the bowl. So the garlic is like acting like a cushion. And at this point, when you start putting the oil in the very beginning, you want to do 1 spoonful of oil or like a half spoonful of oil at a time. And it's very important. If you put too much oil at this time, it's not going to work. So at this time, as you can see, the mayo has been firm. It's firm a lot, and it's like it's growing and growing because of the oil we're putting. And at this time, you can add like at least 3 spoonfuls at a time. And you can even be like faster when you're mixing it. You can work faster. So this recipe is from my mom. It's my mom's recipe, and this is how I seen her make it. And if you taste it, like once it's done, you're not going back to the other mayo that you buy from the store. Like this is real good mayo. So these are the seasoning what we're going to add. We have here some salt. We have here 1 clove of garlic that I minced real small, some black pepper, and some chopped onions. And this is some jumbo that you're going to sprinkle all over it. And last but not least, you're going to add a little bit of lime juice. And this mayo recipe tastes real good when you eat it with grilled fish, fried fish, some grilled chicken. It tastes amazing. And the last ingredient that's going in is some parsley. Mix everything well and the mayo is ready. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, have a very nice texture. It's not that loose. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you back here next Sunday for another new video. Bye.